Namaskar. Today we will study about a story named The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was born on 12 December 1905, Peshawar, Pakistan, and died on 28 September 2004, Pune, Maharashtra, India. He was known for his novels Untouchable 1935, Coolie 1936, and Two Leaves and a Bird 1937. He got Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1971 and Padma Bhushan in the year 1967. Let's start the story now. The Lost Child is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair or an exhibition. He had gone with his parents to the fair but loses them when he gets fascinated by looking at a roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. Once he loses them, he is picked up by a stranger. The stranger tries to silence the child by offering him all these things that he had demanded from his parents, but the child does not want them anymore. He wants his parents first. The story highlights the value of relationships over material goods. The child realizes the true value of his parents once he is separated from them. It also sheds light on the universal fear of children and parents of getting separated from one another and the result of such a calamity as seen from the eyes of a little child. इस स्टोरी से मैंने दो बातें सीखी हैं। पहली कि जब कोई बच्चा अपने माता पिता से बिछड़ जाता है तभी उसे अपने माता पिता की कीमत समझ में आती है। इसीलिए हमें अपने माता पिता का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, उनका सम्मान करना चाहिए। और दूसरी बात कि हर बच्चे को अपने सिलेबस में उसके चैप्टर्स सिखाए जाते हैं, लेकिन मैंने देखा है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे को उसके घर का एड्रेस या टेलीफ़ोन नंबर पता नहीं होता। तो अगर कोई बच्चा फ्यूचर में कहीं खो जाता है तो इसलिए उसे सिलेबस की तरह ही अपने घर का एड्रेस, अपने पेरेंट्स का नेम और टेलीफ़ोन नंबर पता होना चाहिए। उसे सिलेबस की तरह मेमोराइज़ कराना चाहिए सब कुछ, ताकि वो खो जाए तो वो किसी से हेल्प लेके अपने घर वापस जा सके। थैंक यू।